5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. On 21/7/2008, the University Grants Commission, in its 449th meeting held on 21/7/2008, considered the final report of the NET Review Committee and the reports of the UGC Pay Review Committee and resolved that the candidates who are already registered for MPhil and completed the same up to 30th June 2009 be exempted from NET for UG teaching staff. However, NET/SLET shall be compulsory for the candidates completing their MPhil on or after 1st July 2009. Stop. On 12/11/2008, a policy direction was issued by the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resources Development, Government of India, under Section 20(1) of the UGC Act 1956, which reads as follows. Stop stanza. Learned Council placed heavy reliance on the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of University Grants Commission versus Sadhana Chaudhary and others, etc., reported in JT 1996 SC 234. Stop. According to the Learned Council, the impugned regulation should not operate to the prejudice of persons who, having regard to the qualifications prescribed in the earlier regulations, had registered for the PhD degree or had joined study for MPhil degree course. Stop. In as much for that reason provision was made for granting exemption to such candidates with the condition that they should have passed MPhil examination or should have submitted PhD thesis by a particular date. Stop. Learned Council submitted that the petitioners constitute a distinct class who could be treated separately insofar as the requirement of clearing the eligibility test is concerned. Stop. Learned Council submitted that on the basis of the ratio decided in the aforesaid judgment, the impugned regulation on the decision of the Ministry of Human Resources Department, Government of India, is violative of the right to equality enshrined in Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop stanza. Mr. Krishnamurthy then drew our attention to the Second Amendment dated 14/6/2006, which was brought based on the interim report of the expert committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.L. Mungekar. Stop. Under the said amendment also, NET remained a compulsory requirement. Stop. But as regards PhD degree holders in the concerned subject, NET was exempted for PG and UG level teaching. Stop. As regards MPhil degree holders, NET was exempted only for undergraduate level teaching staff. Learned Council submitted that in the year 2008, the Ministry of Human Resources Department, Government of India, in the exercise of power under Section 20 (1) of the UGC Act, issued a direction making NET as compulsory for the teaching post and to restrain the UGC from granting any blanket exemption from NET/SLET unless the degree of PhD has been awarded in terms of standard and quality laid down by the Commission. Stop over.